Namaste everyone. I welcome each one of you to UDAYA'S classroom. In today's class, we are going to be talking about the types of organization structure. The first type of organization structure, that is functional structure, we have discussed in the previous section. And in today's session, we are going to be talking about divisional structure. What do you mean by divisional structure actually? Divisional structure is a structure in which activities are grouped on the basis of products or geographical territories. Which means the divisional structure will be structured based on the products. Suppose an organization which is dealing with many products, like they will be dealing with the cement, and the same organization will be dealing with paper, and same organization will be dealing with the textiles. So they will be having many products in their organization. So these kind of organization will be structuring their organization structure based on the divisional structure. So the division structure will be suitable for the organization who are all dealing with various products, or if the particular organization doing service beyond the geographical boundaries, or they are serving throughout the country means, this divisional structure will be suitable for those kind of organization. And we have discussed the functional structure. Functional structure based on the functions of the organization, the structure will be framed, and within the framework the operating activities and the managerial activities should take place. That is what we have discussed in the previous session, right? But divisional structure will be structured based on the activities or grouped on the basis of products. So what are all the products the organization is dealing with? So various products, if they are dealing with, they will be going with the divisional structure. And of course, based on the geographical territories, they will be preferring the divisional structure. Alright, so how the divisional structure would be in an organization? That is, this is the figure of divisional structure. CEO will be there, Chief Executive Officer. So under the Chief Executive Officer, division will be categorized. Suppose an organization dealing with chemicals, so chemical division will be categorized, and pharmaceutical, separate division for pharmaceutical, and separate division for electronics division. So each and every division will have departments, that is chemical division, production department, marketing, finance, HR. Same way pharmaceutical, production, marketing, finance, HR. Same way electronics, production, marketing, finance, HR. So what we can understand from this divisional structure, top CEO will be there. CEO, under the CEO, all these departments will be coming. So divisional head will be taking care of the particular division. Under the divisional head, all the departments will be coming. So this is what about the divisional structure. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of divisional structure. The first pros of divisional structure is clear responsibility for end results. So in the divisional structure, the divisional heads will be having responsibility for their department, because each and every department has been categorized as per the divisional structure. So each and every divisional head will be responsible for the end result of the organization. They are answerable for the CEO. So they cannot escape from their responsibilities. So they have to they have to be answerable for the CEO, that is head of the organization. So for the profitability of the organization, or in order to attain the objective of the organization or goal of the organization, they are responsible. So for the end result, they are responsible. So clear responsibility for end results is very clear in this divisional structure, right? And apart from that, we have got next pros also flexibility. So in the divisional structure, the divisions will be having flexibility. How they will be having flexibility? That is, they will be having autonomous power to function on their own. How they will be having autonomous function? Because each and every division is going to work for their department only. So they can function on their own. They will be having freedom to function in their department. So they will be having much flexibility in their departments, And apart from that, any other departments, if the particular division wanted to create, it can create. Next to production, marketing, finance, HR, if any other department to be created, it could be created without disturbing the existing divisions, because each and every division is separate. So flexibility is present in the divisional structure. So moving on to the next pros, personalized attention to users. So for the users, so the people, those who are using various products, will get personalized attention if the organization is maintaining divisional structure, because they are going to deal with the same product and closer to that product only. So personalized attention is much prevailing in the divisional structure. Moving on to the next pros, developing general management skills. Since the divisions are separate, under the divisional managers, all the department heads are going to work. So when they work the same kind of work, when they perform, they will get specialization in their departments. So naturally they will be very good in the managerial skill for the particular department. So they will be getting higher opportunity to move to the next level. Maybe production manager will go to the division manager cadre. From the division manager, easily they can even go to the CEO position. So general skills, managerial skills will get developed under the divisional structure, right? So that is the reason why we have got this pros as developing general management skills. So general management skills will be present in the divisional structure. Let's discuss cons of the divisional structure now. Let's look at the cons of the divisional structure. The first con that we have is inter-division conflicts. Inter-division conflicts means in the divisions they will be getting conflicts. How come inter-divisional conflicts will take place? Maybe department-wise they will be conflicting for the resources. Resources could be human resources or physical resources, whatever it is, right? So they will try to grab the very good resources first. So as far as possible they will try to take out all the resources. Say for example, if the particular group of employees are working very well, they will try to take those human resources for their department. So other department may be conflicting for the human resources. So physical resources may be for the production process. Very good resources, if it is available in the stock room, they will try to grab all the resources. So like these kind of conflicts may take place in their interdivision. So interdivision conflicts may arise in the divisional structure. Moving on to the next con, increased cost. So the divisional structure will cost more. How it will cost more? Because each and every division is working independently. So on their own, when they work, so the cost factor also will get increased. Alright, and moving on to the next con, ignoring organization interest. Ignoring organization interest in the sense, so the divisional manager who is in the top, he will be getting very good authority position. He has to take care of all the division managers, or under the divisional manager all the departments will be coming. So he will be getting more power and more authority. So when he get more authority, he will be trying to act as he is very bossy to everyone. So leaving the organizational interest, that is organizational objective, he will be showing his authority towards the subordinates. So this is one of the con in the divisional structure. And the next is complex organization structure. So this is one of the con in the divisional structure. So reporting system will be very complex, very difficult in the organization structure, that is divisional structure. How it will be difficult? Say for example, the finance manager has to report about the financial position regularly to the division head. So maybe division head may be finance director or head, whoever it is. So reporting system would be very complex in the divisional structure. These are all the cons of the divisional structure. Alright, which type of organization structure will be suitable for the organization? Say for example, functional structure will be suitable for the large scale organization, and the organization should deal with single product. It should not deal with various types of products. So if the organization is dealing with single product, the organization can opt for functional structure. And moreover, the organization which is preferring to get specialization in the functional area like production department, marketing department, HR department, like department wise, if they wanted to get specialization, they have to opt for functional structure. If the organization is dealing with various kinds of product, they cannot opt the functional structure. They have to go with the divisional structure. So the divisional structure will be suitable. That is the organization dealing with various kinds of product can opt the divisional structure. The organization which is dealing with various products, if it is choosing the functional structure, it will not suit for the organization. So this is how the suitability of the functional structure and the divisional structure should be chosen by the organization. So it depends upon the product they deal with. So single product means functional structure will be suitable, and various kinds of product and beyond the geographical boundaries, if the organization is serving, it has to choose the divisional structure. Having understood about the functional structure and the divisional structure, we'll end up this session today. I'll meet you in the next class with a new session. Till the next, bye from